Hello everyone. Today we're looking at a mechanical pencil cleverly disguised as a pencil. So fool your friends and neighbors. This from Penco. And we have looked at a Penco product before on this channel. Not a pencil, but a Penco pen actually made by Bic. But Bic Japan. Penco, a Japanese stationery company, but this pencil we're looking at today, product of Taiwan. So making pencils and stationery items in other parts of Asia, but I believe it is a Japanese company. The Penco Passer's Mate. Passer's Mate. I'm sure there's a story there. 0.5 millimeter mechanical pencil. Still with its wrapping. Got it at J Avenue, Columbus, Ohio area, Japanese gift shop. Let's unwrap this on camera. I may speed this up because it might be unpleasant to watch. I may cut it all together. Okay, that took way longer than it should have. I said no points off for that sticky sticker, but changed my mind. 6 points off, yellow card, and 5 minutes in the penalty box. Still sticky. Didn't remove cleanly at all. Let's take a look inside. Mostly plastics here. There's a brass retaining ring. Otherwise, mostly plastics. You can see the, well, if I put it in the camera, you could see the sliding lead guide there that protrudes when you activate it. A little tricky to get back in. That's mainly plastic pencil. This cost next to nothing. Don't remember exactly what I paid for it. Has an eraser on the end that is inside a plastic ferrule that's designed to look like a metal ferrule. And you can see the lead tube there where you would add lead, and the eraser cleverly has a hollowed out spot to fit right over that. I feel like in a more quality mechanical pencil that would have been some more engineered. There would have been more parts involved there, but they just hollowed out the eraser. Penco Passer's Mate 0.5. It may come in other lead diameters. I assume it probably does. They just didn't have them at J Avenue. Let's give this a try. Oh, I didn't measure it. If you're in the US, just barely, what, 6 1/8, 6 1/4 inches. For those of you not in the US, 16 centimeters. Each click produces quite a bit of graphite out of the tip. .5 is not my normal preferred graphite diameter. I write in all caps, I write sloppy, and I write big. So 0.5 is just not for me, generally. This is kind of similar in its simplicity to some other Japanese mechanical pencils I reviewed recently. The Kokuyo Inpitsu Sharp, this in a 0.7. I also have it in a 0.5, which is white. And the adult pencil from Kitoboshi. Maybe my favorite mechanical pencil currently manufactured. Historically, the Scripto, nothing beats that. But the simplicity of this, and it's a 2 millimeter. So, you know, plenty thick for somebody who writes as big and gross as I do. But similarly, none of these have a clip, nothing extraneous, no extra bits, no rubber grips, just a simple mechanism. What was this one called? Kitaboshi Adult Pencil. Terrific name. And of course we covered the kokuyo in some depth in a previous video. Not even trying to write legibly now. That's not the point. If you like the simplicity, nothing extra, just pencil. This I could take or leave the fake ferrule and the strangely hollowed out eraser. I think it would have been a better pencil without. Make the end more like the kokuyo, actually. Not even a cap. You just stick the leads right in there. Or the adult pencil, where all you have is a button in the business end and you're good to go. I like the simplicity of it. Now, I like to carry around a pen and pencil in my front shirt pocket because I'm a man of a certain age, so I sometimes do like having a clip on my writing implement, but for sticking in your to-go bag, don't really need a clip. I like the simplicity here. The Penco Passer's Mate in 0.5. Probably available online. Thanks for watching this pencil review. Hope to see you here again next time.